Hello, today I'm gonna teach you how to make this delicious salsa. It is made with these peppers. They are dry, they are Mexican peppers, chile de árbol, morita. I love this chile. It gives you a good smoky sauce. Chile guajillo, mulato. They are great peppers. Here we have some almonds, pecans, peanuts, cumin, pumpkin seeds. Okay, let's start making it. Let's start boil the peppers first with the tomatoes, Roma. We're gonna boil the tomatoes. In Mexican salsas, we don't remove this bottom. So set it. Make sure you open up. You can use a gloves for remove the seeds. I don't mind doing it with my own bare hands. Mulato, árbol, chile guajillo, the morita peppers. You don't have to remove anything, just throw it like this. And we're gonna boil. We're gonna cover so it boils a little faster. We're gonna toss seed pumpkins, almonds, pecans. Have you ever tossed cumin? Well, for my salsa, I do it. You gotta be careful. When the pan is hot, everything burns so fast. Here is everything toasted. The peppers and tomatoes look they are done. Oh yes, look at this. Perfect. We're gonna drain it. Don't hold it, it's hot. I'm crazy. Don't do this at home. Make sure you drain all the water. I'll put tomatoes first. Guajillo. Mulato. Morita. Okay. Garlic. Some cilantro. Those nuts when the pumpkin seeds. Salt and pepper. Onions. Let's add a little water. This is our salsa. If you like more smooth and less texture, just add more water. Let's check it out. Oh, it's spicy. But it needs a little salt. But salt is the key in the salsas. Oh, spicy. Good smell of peppers. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. And this is your tasty, spicy Mexican salsa. It's good and spicy. You know when it's a good salsa, you just can't stop eating it. Ooh. Wondering about this pasta, this salmon? Well, it's in one of my videos. I'm gonna put the link so you can watch it and learn how to cook this. But for now, we're gonna use only the salmon. This one? No. This salmon is gonna be used for the tacos. Let's do it. Right there. You can use your tongs, your hands, doesn't matter, and just break it. It's already cooked, so nice chunks. The good flavor is the salmon. Watch my video so you can learn how I prepare the salmon. For these tacos, you can put anything you want. Pork, chicken, but for now, salmon. Good salsa. Onion. Please do not put cheese in here. Not lettuce, cilantro. Lime. And those are my tacos. Good, tasty, and spicy. Good Mexican tacos. Hope you can watch the other video where I show you how to prepare the salmon. And thank you for watching the video. Bye. Oh, one more chipito. Another one. Bye.